So here is another question on sum of n terms of an AP. It is given if the 14th term of an AP is twice its 8th term and the 6th term is minus 8, then find the sum of the first 20 terms of the given AP. Okay, so here let us first write down the information which is given. First it is given that the 6th term of the AP, that is for the AP Arithmetic Progression, the 6th term is equal to minus 8 and the 14th term is twice its 8th term, so T14 is equal to 2 times T8. So we have been asked to find the sum of the first 20 terms of the AP. So clearly nothing has been mentioned about the first term, the last term, common difference, nothing. So we have to find out these things. Okay. So we know the general formula for the general nth term. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 d, where A is the first term, d is the common difference, and n is the particular nth term in the arithmetic progression. T6 is equal to minus 8, so that implies A plus 6 minus 1d, n is equal to 6 in this case, so 6 minus 1 is 5, so A plus 5d is equal to minus 8. This is one of the equations. Then we have T14 is equal to 2T8. So T14 is A plus 14 minus 1D. 14 minus 1 is 13. So A plus 13D, okay, A plus 13D is equal to 2 into T8, that is A plus 8 minus 1D, A plus 7D, 2 into A plus 7D. This is for the 8th term. So that implies A plus 13D is equal to 2A plus 14D. That implies 2A minus A is equal to 13D minus 14D. Or that implies A is equal to minus D. This is another important relationship. Okay, second one. So if we put the second relationship in the first one, that is A is equal to minus D, so we will have minus D plus 5D is equal to minus 8. That implies we have 4D is equal to minus 8. That implies D is equal to minus 2. So we have the common difference, D is equal to minus 2. A is equal to minus D, so minus A is equal to minus of minus 2, which is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. So we have A, that is the first term, and D, which is the common difference. We have been asked to find the sum of the first 20 terms. So here we'll be using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So here we have n is equal to 20. So if we put the values, we have the sum of the first 20 terms, that is equal to 20 by 2 into 2A, that is equal to 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, which is equal to 20 minus 1 into D, which is equal to minus 2. So this is equal to 10 into 4 plus 19 into minus 2. which is equal to 10 into 4 minus 38. So 4 minus 38 is equal to minus 34. So this is equal to 10 into minus 34, which is equal to minus 340. So the sum of the first 20 terms of the AP is equal to minus 340. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, the sum of the first 20 terms in the arithmetic progression, that is equal to minus 340. So here is another question on sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. So it is given the sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of its 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the sum of its first 10 terms. Okay, so here we have, for the given arithmetic progression, it is given that the sum of the 4th term and 8th term is equal to 24 and the sum of the 6th term and 10th term, that is equal to 44. So here we have to find out the value of the first term A and the common difference T. So we know the general nth term formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this means this is the first relationship, this is the second relationship. So for the first, for equation 1, we can write in terms of A and D, T4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1D. So A plus 3D plus A plus this is T8, A plus 8 minus 1D. So A plus 7D, that is equal to 24. T4 is A plus 3D, T8 is A plus 7D. So that implies we have 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. Taking 2 common, we have 2 into A plus 5D is equal to 24. Okay, that implies A plus 5D is equal to 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. This is the first equation. So we'll give it equation 3, proper order. So A plus 5D is equal to 12. Then we have from the second relationship, that is T6 plus T10 is equal to 44. We have for the second relationship T6 plus T10 is equal to 44. So we can write the sixth term as A plus 6 minus 1 into D, which is equal to A plus 5D plus T10, which is equal to A plus 10 minus 1D, that is A plus 9D is equal to 44. That implies sum of 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. Taking 2 common, 2 into A plus 7D is equal to 44. That implies A plus 7D is equal to 44 by 2, which is equal to how much? 22. So this is the second equation, which is proper numbering, it is equation 4. So these are two linear equations in two variables with A and D. So we have to find the value of A and D. So what we'll do here, we'll write first A plus 7d is equal to 22, equation number 4, and a plus 5d is equal to 12. We'll subtract these two. A minus a gets cancelled. 7 minus 5, that is 2d, is equal to 22 minus 12, which is equal to 10. That implies d is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. So we have the common difference, d is equal to 5. Now we'll put this value here in equation 3. So that implies a is equal to 12 minus 5d, which is 12 minus 5 into 5 equal to 12 minus 25, which is equal to minus 13. So we have the first term equals to minus 13 and the common difference equals to 5. Now it has been asked to find the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP. So here we have the formula of the sum. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here sum of the first 10 terms, that is equal to 10 by 2 into 2a, which is equal to 2 into minus 13, plus 10 minus 1, n minus 1 is 10 minus 1, so it is 9 into d, which is equal to 5. So this is equal to 5 into minus 26 plus 45 is equal to 5 into 45 minus 26 is 19. So this is equal to 95. Okay, so sum of the first 10 terms of the given AP, it is equal to 95. Okay, so this is the thing.